All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, buying the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, using credit cards to get the BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good information. Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Fantom. First time we're talking about it, we're going to dig into it a little bit. It's basically at number 44 on the charts that we always talk about. It's actually up right now, so there's a lot of different projects, a lot of things going on. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So with that, we're also going to talk about Tom Brady's commercial on cryptocurrency. We're going to show that a little bit later after we talk about Fantom, cryptocurrency. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to a little bit of Fantom. All right, right here at number 43, Fantom. If we take a look, it's trading at $1.21 right this second. In the last 24 hours, it's actually down 8%, but for the last 7 days, it's actually up 16%. So taking a look at this, first time ever taking a look, it's actually down in the last 24 hours. Again, 8.38%, trading at $1.21. You know, taking a look, it's been going down, 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 down. So it's on a downward slope right this second. But again, in the last 7 days, it has bounced upwards. So again, over here at $1.21, down the last 24 hours. Let's go ahead and talk about a couple of new things that Fantom is into. Atari chain, massive adoption following more move to Fantom network. So again, Atari, you know, the big gaming, the legendary gaming developer Atari has announced it will now officially operate on the Fantom blockchain. The move will see Atari chain's decentralized tokens, ATRI, posted over to the network. The token is integrated to Atari's plans of bringing decentralized games natives to Fantom and deploying a new DEX on the network over the coming months. Atari Chain noted that the game developers was a rapid improving its service to becoming the interaction and entertainment industry key crypto company. So with that, the move to Fantom initiates on the network being implemented to make DeFi and GameFi accessible and affordable for all people in the industry. Previously, Atari Chain operated on the Ethereum network, which introduced a number of burdens to the ambitions. Atari said that appealed the instant transaction, the minus gas fees, and better scalability options promoted to move over to Fantom, noting that Atari token and its dApps can almost instantly improve their performance and costs on the network. So this is absolutely big, everybody. Additionally, Atari hopes the lower transaction fees, instant speeds available through Fantom will attract more DeFi users to the platform. According to the announcement, approximately 20% of Atari ATRI tokens liquidated has been moved to the Fantom DeFi platform, with trading availabilities on major Fantom DEX, including Spirit Swap and Zoocoin. So yeah, Atari's pretty big here. So now all of a sudden, Atari's moving from the Ethereum blockchain to the Fantom blockchain. It's going to make it more affordable. The gas fees are not going to be as expensive. It's going to make gaming more affordable. And again, this is where when they talk, everybody's talking about the Ethereum killer. As people move off the Ethereum blockchain and onto different blockchains, well, guess what? Here's another big thing. The recent developments on Fantom. Atari moves to Fantom comes after the Fantom Foundation announced, dig this, $314 million incentive program for developers to build projects on the network, and its recent integration Chainlink to further the security offers through the DeFi protocols. All right, so back here at number 43, Fantom, it's trading at $1.31. Take a look at this. You know, a couple other coins here. We got Altcoin at number 57. It's still under a nickel of 0.4232. It's down 2% or 1.67% in the last 24 hours. Take a look at the Shiba Inu. Yep, it's up everywhere. It's up 1% in the last 24 hours. It's up 1.42% in the last 7 days. There's 5 of those zeros in there, and they keep talking about killing one of these zeros. So 5 zeros in between, pretty soon to be 4. There's Fantom at number 44. Wanted to take a look at number 36 Pancake Swap, trading at $18.32. It's down about 1.47% last 24 hours. We got Cosmos right there at number 20. The coin is trading at $34.97. It's actually down about 7% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin Cash, $484, down 6% in the last 7 days. Getting in here to the top 10, we got Dogecoin at number 10. We got Polkadot. Doge is actually under 20 cents. Polkadot's at number 9, $27.25. We got Solana at number 7 at $137 a coin. It's actually up in the last 7 days about 6%. XRP is at number 6. It's up 1% in the last 7 days. Cardano is at number 4, trading at about $2.06. Down in the last 24 hours about 5%. Ethereum is at $28.77. It's actually down 2.7% in the last 24 hours. And Ethereum is right there around 41.8. Not quite 42,000. It's down slightly. The global market is at $1.84 trillion. It's actually down 2.29%. So what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about that Tom Brady and cryptocurrency. So I think this is kind of big. I watch football all the time. Tom Brady's kind of a legend. He's actually a legend and he's still playing. And all of a sudden, Tom Brady's having cryptocurrency commercials. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, we're over here. Let's take a look. Here we go.
Can I talk to you about something?
We talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hey, yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would. Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
I get it.
So, hey, everybody. Now, Tom Brady is getting into crypto. And she goes, hey, this is something big. Oh, I'm not retired. Oh, no, not that. This is something big. Take a look. And he takes a look at it. And he calls all his friends. And he goes, I'm getting in. I'm getting in. I'm getting in. What are you getting into? Cryptocurrency. And guess what? Football season just started. This is like week 3 just ended. There's going to be like 15 more weeks. And then the playoffs are going to come. Every single week, Tom Brady's going to be talking about cryptocurrency. This goes with my vision that every day, every single person on the planet one day is going to have some cryptocurrency. So, like, this is going to be pretty big. Well, guess what? Fantom crypto is also going to be pumped up when all of a sudden more and more people are buying cryptocurrency because of Tom Brady. All the coins, guess what? So again, over here at Yahoo Finance, Fantom positions itself to become a powerhouse protocol as the blockchain adoption rises. Just a couple things. Again, first time talking about Fantom. I mean, Atari's using their blockchain, but it's well known that the crypto markets can be highly volatile, fast-paced, and price-trending switches at drops of the hat. The new pumps and dumps tokens emerging on a weekly basis. Why the traders and Twitter's influencers like focus on most of the tensions and prices and the adrenaline rushes that come with the surfacing of the market cycle, the long-term holders of the project's fundamentals that really matters. Fantom is one of the projects that has quietly positions itself to be an integral part of the mainstream blockchain rollout of an ecosystem, continue to attract new developers and users looking to take advantage of the low-cost environment. The decentralized finance attracts new users. DeFi has emerged as one of the hottest trends in 2021 by offering cryptocurrencies holders a simple way to earn yield on their holdings that far exceed the way they can make from a bank savings account. So dig this, when you start making more money doing things on cryptocurrency than you're going to make at the bank, things are going to happen. Tom's going to push it. People are going to know about crypto all of a sudden. But listen what they're saying. So again, here we go. The DeFi has emerged as one of the hottest trends in the 2021 by offering cryptocurrency holders a simple way to earn a yield on holding that far exceeds what they can earn in a bank savings account. While a vast majority of the current DeFi protocols operate on the Ethereum network, high transaction costs and delayed transaction processing have hampered the average user and investors from conducting even the simplest operation like transferring a token from one wallet to another. And guess what? That's where Fantom's going to come in and make it a lot easier for everybody. All right, jumping over here at Robinhood real quick. Just a couple quick coins. Bitcoin is right here. It's under 42,000, 41.77. To give you a little price check on that. The Bitcoin Cash is under 500. I mean, literally 600. Look at this. Take a look. 600, 615. Look, it's going on. It's still going on. It's 600. Here we go. Here we go. It's still at 600. Still at 500. Still at 500. Look, it's dropping, dropping. What's it at right now? It's under $500. Bitcoin Cash, this could be one of the things that you may want to position. Remember, all our information on this channel is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. But Bitcoin Cash, I mean, this thing is dropping, dropping, dropping. You know, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, I mean, come on. Last one we want to talk about, the Dogecoin. This one's under 20 cents, everybody, 19 cents. So with that today, talking about Fantom, you know what? I mean, as more and more projects, Atari and this and that are going to jump on this, it's going to make it a lot easier to do business on the Fantom blockchain. It's going to be a lot easier. So pretty interesting coin, Fantom, crypto. You know, Shiba Inu we've been talking about. We've been talking about AMP token. We've been talking about Cosmos. All kinds of good information. Make sure you share this video with your friends. We're going to help every single person, you know, basically get into cryptocurrency, know about it. It's not going to go away. Also, talking about the Sheets gas station accepting the cryptocurrency with the AMP and the Flex network. I mean, that's going to be big. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Every single day, Monday through Friday, we bring you a video at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays, it's anywhere from 3 to 4 o'clock. Thanks, everybody. Have a fantastic day. Today being Wednesday, let's rock and roll today. Woo!